In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to use Pocketbroker app for beginners. Pocket Option makes binary option trading simple and accessible. Follow these steps to start trading effectively using the mobile app or website. Firstly, open the Pocket Option app, then enter your login credentials or register if you are a new user. Choose between live account, which is real money trading, or demo account. You can practice with virtual funds. A tip, always practice with the demo account if you're new to trading. Now, tap the asset list on the top bar on the dashboard. Select from Forex, currency pairs, commodities, for example gold or oil, stocks, indices, or cryptocurrencies. Use charts and indicators to study the asset's trend before trading. Now, choose how much money you want to invest in the trade. A smart rule, never risk more than 1 to 5% of your account balance on a single trade. Tap the timer icon and select how long the trade should last. Options range from 5 seconds to 4 hours. Shorter times, faster trades, higher risk. Longer times, more analysis time, possibly higher returns. Now decide if the price will go up, the green button, or down, red button, at expiry. Use available technical indicators and chart patterns to help you decide. RSI, MACD, moving averages, and candlestick patterns. After setting asset, amount, expiry time, and prediction, tap the up or down button to confirm your trade. Your trade is now locked and it will auto-complete after the expiry time. After the time ends, the trade will automatically close. You'll see the results. Correct prediction, you'll earn a profit, typically 70 to 90% payout. Wrong prediction, you lose the amount you invested. Just review your trade history to learn from wins and losses. And binary options are risky. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Start small and focus on learning strategies. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.